Alright guys, quick rundown here. You got the passenger side diverter sitting right there. So those lines, vacuum lines, come up and then they meet the two T's. They go to the other diverter valve down there. So you can see one T's off between the lower nipples. These ones tee off between the higher nipples. Those come back over here to this vacuum block piece here. Alright. So this one actually, it's really hard to see, but that's why you need that nylock nut. Mine didn't have it, so I had to go pick one up. It's an M6 nylon nut. So pretty much those vacuum lines tee off up here, and then one of the vacuum lines comes down, and hopefully you can see it, but it tees off right here. There's a vacuum port section where they all tee off to each other, and that's it. So the vacuum lines aren't too bad at all. It does look a little bit messy. I still have to tighten these up and cut them, but off of that vacuum block, these are actually the connectors that connect for your diverters. So instead of actually connecting directly into the diverter, it connects this little wiring harness here that goes back, and then I just routed it past here, but it still needs to be cleaned up on routing. But like I said, you're going to have a good amount of vacuum line pasta here, 300ZX style. Okay, go ahead. Again. 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 Yep.